Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to talk about Ecomi. We're going to do a simple price action, but more or less, I just want to talk about how we made so much money from our previous video. A lot of my students and just my past historical students as well, they've been making a ton of money on Ecomi, but not just Ecomi. My price action tools and tricks that I use in the markets work every single place you can think about. It could work on futures, stocks, forex, and also crypto, which I like to trade. And right now, I'm showing you guys demonstrations on the Omi token. Such a simple token to trade, and we're going to be taking a look at what really happened with price action here. So right here we did dictate, we had a big bullish candle, we were looking for a flag, exactly 50% retracement, more or less. It did went down towards the 61 as well. 61.8 is still a good retracement, so the 50 and the 61.8 is a key level in the market where we could look for reversals. And exactly what did price do, guys? This is nothing gimmicky or anything like that. This is simple price action. We did have a projection, guys. Look at this tool mark right here. This was the projection when it broke out. Exactly when price did break out, where did it go? Exactly filled our complete take profit. And trust me when I say a lot of my students did take advantage, and we did look for some sell-offs. And once price hit these key levels of take profits, what did we do right away before the markets went a little bit higher? We took our profits, guys, and we took our profits knowing one key tool right here. Looking left of structure, this zone we did repeat. Once again, I did make sure you guys understood this. This was a key level. So if this is a key level, we can have key levels of resistance and also support. So if it did not break above it, this will never be support, so it is going to be resistance. Roughly around 0.0015, we did see some key levels of rejections. Okay, guys, you see all of these wick rejections. These are key levels, key signs of failure to break above structure. When we look at this, how much touches do we have? We had a lot of touches to show us price was not breaking up and it was eventually going to go down. The cool thing is I even draw this little box to show you guys what I'm looking for a retracement before I start to buy my Omi token. And when we look at this retracement, I take this box, look left of structure, we had twice the opportunity to buy our Omi tokens, guys. We had it once and we also have it the second time. And this right here is another formation called the double bottom, guys. This is a double bottom. Reasons why: we looked at this structure and we said to each other, this structure is value. 0.0014 is value. Why? A lot of resistance. So if it breaks above structure, we're looking for support. So what did it do? We took our full take profits. We seen price coming just back down. Guys, if you follow my videos, once again, it's not financial advice. These are just the ways I look at the markets and how I trade it. Look, trading is super simple. You find the right mentor, you find the right guru that can give you the ideas and steps. And look, it's all about repeat and paste, guys. If you could repeat and paste these type of tools, you could make tremendous amount of money. So we did even have our take profits right here, and I even showed you guys what I'm looking for. So take a look at this. If we enter the trade here, or even if we enter the trade here, our stop loss is just below structure and we looked for a profit of 1.5 to 1. That means if you took my advice, even though it's not financial advice, but you put your own education towards that, and you would have made a good amount of money. And if you guys did, you know these videos do truly help. This is not just me blabbering or anything like that. Everything that I say has rules. Everything I say has value. And if you put the value into work, you can make tremendous amount of money. And also, to put it to clarification, guys, I'm building my accounts every single day, every single trade. So if you do believe in trading, trust me, my channel is going to help you. Even if you're new to this trading game, trust me, when we're looking at key levels, all we're trying to do as traders, just to make it simple for you guys, all we're looking for is a key break of a structure. And we want to see that structure hold. So we wait for a retest. Once we get that key retest, we look for our entry strategies, which I love to teach. And this is the strategy where you look for that move to the upside. We want to see the impulsive phase. We want to see a retracement and another impulsive move to the side that we're looking to dictate. The cool thing about all of this, guys, we need to understand the one most important thing. This breakout actually came from a symmetrical triangle. That means as much as we took two profits, once again the flag, and now right here we have a breakout retest strategy, a simple strategy, but more or less we do have this symmetrical triangle. If I take the fulfillment of the symmetrical triangle and put it exactly where the breakout occurred, this is the zone it's telling me it's going to go, guys. This is a sniper shot. Once again, 0.0017. So looking left of structure, I do want to get my horizontal ray. Once I put my horizontal line array, look left of structure, guys, this makes sense. Why? This right here is a key level, a key zone. So am I going to take my full profits right here? No. I'm going to be making sure to take my profits a little bit before structure. Reasons why: look at all of these wick rejections of indecisions, but more or less resistance. So that means I do not want to be foolish and think the price can go higher if I know there's going to be a pullback here. So what I'm going to do is look for sell-offs here. Once I get my sell-offs, what I'm going to do, look left of structure and get into a key zone to start buying back my Ecomi token to the upside. So this is a simple approach, a simple way to really guarantee your trading ability to the upside. The cool thing I really want to show you guys, techniques of trading is beautiful. And also I do want to share one more thing, guys, that could shock you, and these are about learning your patterns. Okay, pattern trading is really good with price action, but knowing your key levels and your zones. Right here we do have a cup and handle formation, guys. When we look at the cup and handle, look at how beautiful this cup and handle does look right here, and we can see it did go a little bit lower than normal. I do like to see my cup and handle, basically my handle, be 1/4 or 1/3 of the cup. This is like a 50-50. It's still okay, and these are trades that you can absolutely take. The cool thing is, if I am taking a trade here, this could be my first take profit, because why? There is another bullish sign showing me the price can absolutely go a little bit higher. So right here, exactly at the break of the cup, this is going to be another level in the market where we're going to take full profits, guys. This is how you find your key levels and your structures and your zones. So make sure right now to go into your charts and level these out right away. When we're leveling these out, make sure to put your horizontal raise around 0.0017 and of course 0.0020. Those are equal numbers. And let's look left of structure and see if this makes sense right here. As you guys can see, of course, this is a level in the market where it's been respected. Now, if I go more to my left, I can see another zone or another period in the market where we found reversals or any kind of support and resistance. So it shows me overall, guys, this is going to be a key level in the market I do want to respect. So how cool is that? Simple as it is, guys. This is how we find price action that makes a lot of bullish sense. And also, if I am looking a little bit sideways, I could look for another head and shoulders that's bigger than normal. Okay, guys, so these are little price actions that I can see. There is an inverted head and shoulders as well, guys. So overall, there's a lot of bullish things, but to keep it simple, trading, it's all about being ready for the market. You could be a scalp trader, you could be a long-term swing trader, and there's so much ways of trading, guys. And that's the beauty of learning how to trade and putting it all together. More or less, guys, I want to delete all of this to show you one last thing. And this is the cool thing. I do delete my charts often just to get different ideas, different understandings of the market, okay? So if this is my key level, and I even mentioned to you guys, this is a key level of where we can see reversals to the downside, okay? So what pattern is it making right now? So price action is showing us something cool, and I want to put this into perception for a lot of new traders and give you guys a better understanding of what price is really doing. When we see a push to the upside, we do look for a retracement. We like to see another leg to the upside. We do see a retracement, and we want to see another move to the upside, okay? And this is showing me a healthy trend. Put this in your toolbooks, and I want to show you why. Why? Look at how big the push phase are. The push phase is showing me price is exactly going higher and higher every single time. But look carefully what price is doing here. So we do have the push phase here, retracement, another push phase, retracement, push phase, retracement, push phase, and now we're seeing a retracement. What are we seeing? Yes, we could look for a head and shoulders right here as well. So when we look for the head and shoulders, draw the neckline, wait for the neckline break. We do have an ascending triangle, but more or less, we do have this beautiful wedge. A wedge is showing me that, volume is not being implemented to the upside. So that means technically we might see a reversal very shortly. If we do get a reversal, this could be a key level we could buy. But if prices do break out, we're looking for the retest on top of this level at 0.00157, and then we're looking to buy once again. So when we're looking at a wedge, guys, take a look at this right here. This is what the wedge is going to look like right here. So that means the price is going like this, and this wedge is overall a reversal pattern. The only way this price action could be debunked is if we see price break above structure and we see the retest on top of the channel or the wedge formation. So what we would like to see is price break up, retest the top of the wedge or even the top of the support and resistance zone. Then we want to see price going back up. That is a beautiful move, guys, right there. But overall, right now, Ecomi is showing a lot of bullish mentality. bullish moves, but of course this is a reversal move. We do want to see a break to the downside, but if it breaks a key zone, we are going to take our bias from the downside. That's going to be invalid, and we're going to look for our moves to the upside. That's the beauty of trading. You want to have both ideas. Why? Because you want to execute wherever the market is going. Just don't have one simple idea. Be ready whenever you can. Put your alerts out, make sure you have your trades ready, and have an understanding of where the price can truly go. So right now, overall, we are simply more bullish than normal, and this is a beautiful sign, especially because Ecomi is going to be ready to explode very soon, guys. So overall, keep that in mind. And also, a lot of people are saying, can we see a lower move to the downside towards these levels right here, guys? Yes, we can, but obviously right now it is hard to see that because the Elliott wave, it is discontinued. Why? Because our 3-method rule strategy, it is gone. Okay, the 4th wave did impede in towards the 1st wave right here, guys. So basically what we wanted to see is this wave right here going down, coming back, but not impeding the first leg of this wave. Because it did surpass this wave, this means that the Elliott wave is discontinued and that we might not see a downwards move only when we see these levels getting broken. So overall, the Elliott wave is discontinued. I just want to put it out there, guys. Trust me, the Elliott wave is gone, but overall, that is still okay. Why? Because if prices still break down, we could look for lower levels because we have a lot of bullish news and bullish things that are being implemented right now into the space and a lot of great speculations and news. This is a great time that we can absolutely see prices going a little bit higher. So what I do want to see before we get into any kind of trades is 2 simple things. I'm more bullish than bearish. Yes. So the simple thing here on this chart, yes, I am more bullish than bearish. So if it does break to the downside, yes, I could take a reversal or hedge trade to the downside. That's totally fine. I do know what I'm looking for. But if you want to be a little bit safer, guys, and you just want to be a simple trader, you could just keep your trading simple. Wait for your key levels to be respected. So if prices come back down, once again, what do? You look for your trade and you go all the way to the top, or you could go to 2 to 1, and that could be your simple trade. And if prices do break to the upside and it holds above value, once again, if it holds above value, that's another position right there that I'm going to be doing. And my stop loss will be underneath this key zone or even underneath this wedge, wherever it fits suitable. Okay, guys, trading is about what makes sense for you, and trading is the fun way to go. And if you do like this channel, once again, guys, and exactly how accurate, once again, guys, and I do get a lot of messages every single day of a lot of people messaging me, guys, telling me how great these videos have been for them. A lot of profits are being taken, a lot of OMI tokens are being met, and a lot of people are truly stacking their bags for the next OMI cycle. Trust me, if you are sleeping on OMI, you will be sleeping for the rest of your life. OMI will explode, and I know exactly where it's gonna go. This is such a beautiful project with great price action. Every single day, go onto your charts and look for these simple price action tools and get into your trades right away, guys. Have the confidence, be consistent, and remember, this is not financial advice, this is just my advice, and I cannot wait for you guys and me to grow together in this beautiful community and build our OMI wallet. Our OMI bags are going to be ridiculous, and I really can't wait to see exactly where we go together. Other than that, thank you so much, guys. Take it easy, and John out. Peace!